There we go. Okay, so here's the thing. If you did not watch the last video about the event posters, please go back and watch that one, because this one is just kind of a tag along to that. Long story short, if you're making an event poster, it is an invitation to come to something, and that's how you treat it, with like a who and a what and a when and a where and a why. Mr. Johnson, how are you doing there, sir? Hey, can you come be in this video real here? I'll mask up real quick. Look, I'll zip through it quick and then I'll chit chat. Sure, yeah. So here's the thing. The people at home will appreciate seeing you in here. Mr. Johnson himself is here. I wonder if they're clapping at home for you.
Hello, hello.
So I'm going to show them this thing real quick. Please don't talk so long. You're really just supposed to wave when, like, you really overdid it. Like, well, now, I mean, you didn't have to wave again. After. Okay, so let me show them this real quick. It won't take long.
Okay.
So please just calm down. So here's the thing. If you go to, let me do the share screen. We do like a daily Teacher Time YouTube video, you know. So here's the thing. It's an invitation of an event poster. So the first thing, you got to get their attention, right? Like they don't put the information as the big stuff. The big colorful stuff is the teams and the conferences and the trophy to get people's attention. And then it's who, what, when, where, why, just like a birthday invitation. So who should watch it? Well, the fans of these teams. When is it? There's the date down there. Where is it? Right there, New Orleans, Louisiana, and on your television. And then you just be sure you put all the information like that. Sometimes you just make something look like something that it isn't for attention. Like, hey, wait a minute, that microphone is ice cream. What? But it still has the who, what, when, where, why. And so please be sure to put all the information on there, because if you leave it out, then the invitation is incomplete. They can't attend an event if they don't know where it is, and they can't attend an event if they don't know what day that it occurs on. So be sure you have a flashy photo to get attention, and then include all the information. And again, if you did not watch the longer version of this video, please go back and watch it. It's the most recent one on the links on YouTube, and so you can see for yourself more about this. If you have any questions, then please let me know. But long story short, just be sure you get people's attention, and then be sure that you give them the right information how they can attend the event. Okay, that's all. I'm going to talk to y'all later. If y'all need something, y'all